Manufacturing plants are bustling with activity. Machines, workers, production lines. It can be challenging to maintain a comprehensive view of what is happening in real time. But what if you could remotely monitor the status of your equipment or get instant alerts when there's a problem? What if you could collect critical production data to track and improve long-term performance trends? Do all of this and more with end-to-end IIoT solutions from Banner Engineering. IIoT solutions help you leverage data throughout the factory in more meaningful ways. It starts with Banner sensors and indicators collecting data from equipment throughout the factory. Data is then transmitted to the DXM wireless gateway controller. The DXM edge computing device can log the data for immediate or long-term use, and it can send email or text alerts so that you never miss an important update. The DXM gateway can also push data to Banner's Connected Data Solutions cloud platform, where data can be easily consumed with intuitive, customizable dashboards. Immediate alerts are valuable, but even more critical is the ability to predict machine failures. Banner's predictive maintenance sensors with wireless connectivity allow you to track your equipment health by monitoring characteristics like vibration, temperature, current, and pressure, and establish thresholds for warning and alarm conditions. If thresholds are exceeded, Banner's solution automatically alerts the appropriate personnel, giving you time to schedule maintenance and avoid costly, unplanned downtime. Finally, optimize your operation by tracking your overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. Banner's wireless tower lights can continuously collect machine uptime and cycle time data. Elsewhere, wireless sensors collect production throughput data. This data is sent to a DXM controller, where it is calculated into productivity metrics. By tracking machine status and throughput data, hidden losses can be identified and addressed, reducing inefficiencies and optimizing production. Solve real-time challenges on your factory floor, make better, data-driven decisions, and increase your overall efficiency with end-to-end IIoT solutions from Banner Engineering. Learn more about IIoT solutions at bannerengineering.com.